So I'm gonna try out this this cheap Walmart 2-ton hyper tough floor jack and see if it can get the job done. I guess this is not meant for SUVs because we are all the way up, and the back tire has not cleared.
That's weird.
That is weird, right?
Yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna, I don't know, have to return this. I got it really cheap though, but I mean, what I can do is just put just some 2x4 pieces there. Hopefully that'll lift it up. So let's see how much the car actually lifted. Go back here. I mean, almost nothing. So I'm gonna put a piece of 2x4 in here. I don't know if this will work. I don't want to put multiple pieces because that would probably be pretty unsafe. Doesn't seem really safe. Looks like we just cleared, but I need more clearance. That's as much as it goes. That's gonna be as much
It can go
as this thing goes. It already, that's it. You can hear the little hydraulic in there. That's it. That's all it lifts. It's not going any more than that. I would definitely not double up on that 2x4 there, just because it's not, definitely wouldn't be safe. I don't know if that's enough clearance. All right, so against my better judgment, I'm doubling up on the 2x4s. I need to get this job done. I'm trying to get these brakes changed out. So as far as right now, this hyper tough 2-ton is a fail. So let's keep going here. Try this again. It feels like it doesn't even want to lift. This is a 4,000 pound 2-ton dolly, and this vehicle altogether is 4,000 pounds, if that. And we're not lifting the whole vehicle here, we're lifting 1/4 of it. So we should be able to lift with no problem. And you hear a whole bunch of creaking and cracking here. I don't like it one bit, but again, I need to get this job done. And it's like it doesn't want to go. I'm pushing it as hard as it can go. Let's carry on here. I'm gonna keep on trying to lift. It's like it doesn't even want to lift. Doesn't want to go. The car's moving though. So right there we're at peak. And we have, I don't even know what that is, a 1/4 inch of clearance. That should be enough to get the wheel off. So I put some jack stands up here because I don't trust this by itself. All right, let's get started here. Should be able to clear. See, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, see if it clears. Yeah, sure did. So either the wood block settled or the jack doesn't have enough juice to pick it back up, but it did go down, and now the tire won't fit because there's not enough clearance. So what I'm gonna do is just take my cheap jack stand, not jack stand, my cheap floor jack that came with the tire changing kit, and see if that can outperform this Walmart jack stand or floor jack. I don't know why I keep calling it jack stand, maybe because I see it right next to the floor jack, but anyway, here we go. Let's just get started here. So I moved this here. I didn't have another jack point over here, so I don't want to mess anything up. So why didn't I put this one over here? There's some type of bolt or something sticking out that wouldn't let this plate clear. So I had to put it over here. This one has a little, kind of little indentation that let me jack it up. So I should have enough clearance now. If you can see this one, it's moving. It went up. So I mean, this one right here does the job, should do the job. Okay, we cleared. It's a lot more clearance here than this one gave us. So let's put these back. So as it stands, this doesn't do the job, especially if you're on the side of the road. You're definitely not gonna have 2x4 pieces to get the job done. Might as well just use the included tire jack that's in your spare tire kit. That's probably what I should have done. It would have probably lifted this higher. Just doing it like this is a little bit faster. It's a pump, but it's not worth the headache.